It's a new headline. Slow motion in a fast, fast world. You remember your